A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. A sneeze is more than just a simple reflex to clear your nose. It's a powerful burst of air traveling at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. When you sneeze, the force is generated by the diaphragm and chest muscles pushing air rapidly through the nasal passage. This high-speed air helps expel any irritants, such as dust, allergens, or mucus, from the body. The force of a sneeze is why you can feel a rush of air or moisture when someone sneezes near you. Given the velocity of a sneeze, it's no wonder that droplets carrying viruses or bacteria can spread a considerable distance, which is why hygiene is so important during sneezing. The spread of airborne germs can even travel several feet, making it essential to cover your mouth and nose to protect others from illness.